Good morning, friends. Wish you all happy Pongal. If you are a business owner, please don't do the mistake again and again. You cannot do all the works yourself. Please, you delegate your works. You please appoint employees to do all your work. If you are doing all your work, you will be mentally disturbed. You cannot do 100% performance. Your employees will work for you. You have to concentrate in a useful way to do new things. When you are having sufficient time, you can think lot of innovative things. Warren Buffett what he told, when you are sleeping, your money should work for you. Otherwise, you have to work till you die. Don't put all the eggs in one basket. If you want to become crorepati, multi crorepati, maga crorepati or mega crorepati, it is very simple. It is very simple to become a crorepati. You have to invest and patiently wait for some time. Your friends and all your relatives will tell you, your masters will tell you, you have to work hard, don't waste your time, don't waste your energy, then only you can become crorepati. I am entirely different from others. If you want to start a business in the budget of 1 crore rupees, you invest 50 crores in the business. Remaining 50 crores, you have to invest in 6 type of income. Do something in the bank FDs. Do something in the lifetime guaranteed plans. Do something in the ETF funds. Do something in the mutual funds. Do something in the equity market. Consult a professionally qualified advisor. Don't hesitate to pay some fees. When you interview, Sachin Tendulkar told his coach was the main reason for his success in the cricket field till his retirement. Because coach cannot run and take runs, but he can give the innovative ideas on techniques how to get more runs in the cricket. You can see in all the companies, they will have financial advisors, financial controllers, chief financial officers. He only knows how to solve the day-to-day financial problems in the industry, in the factory. The managing director cannot take our responsibility. He will get so tired. So, consult a professionally qualified persons to multiply your money. Don't hesitate to give some fees to the professional people. If you give 10,000 rupees, he will safeguard 10 lakhs rupees. If you give 1 lakh rupees, he will save multi crores of rupees. This is financial techniques. For any consultation, you please call Line Balakrishnan, your financial planning consultant. We plan your future. 99526 15649. Thank you.